Good morning. Today we're visiting the site. It's a very early and cool morning.
Honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything. So I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate.
I was adopted from China when I was about 18 months old. I was from a poor village, so I really relate to the Malagasy people and a lot of the villages here. And if you have access to school, I think a lot more opportunities arise from that.
Our 3D printer is arriving on site. There's the truck. So excited to go to the 3D printing.
Perfect.
That insect is fed from the pump that you have here, and the water that you have here, and the mix, the cement mix, the ink that you have here. When we start printing